Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad coming to you all the way from Malaysia, and yes, we have another strap review. So anyway, I would like to do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am still wearing these Guanchin homage Nomos Lambda homage watch. So I've done a review for this particular watch, so please go ahead and check the review on this watch, and of course don't forget to use my discount code to get much cheaper price on gearbest.com. Okay, so let's get back to the strap. So I think a few months ago I've done a review for this particular watch, which is the Casio AE1200, and I've mentioned in that video review that it is very difficult to get a strap that is matched for this, but after surfing through lots and lots of online store, I finally found a perfect strap for it. Okay, so this is the strap in question, which is a silicone strap from a seller in AliExpress. I will give you guys the link to this particular seller in the video description below. So let's go ahead and check out this silicone strap. So anyway, so we have there is no particular brand name whatsoever, but this is a silicone strap. As you can see here, it has this 18mm lug width, and you guys can see here that although it is 18mm on the lug, but it has this additional of maybe 1.5mm on this side and another 1.5mm on this side, which makes the strap looks just nice on this particular watch. So because if you guys have I don't know about you guys, but when I tried to put a narrow stripe on this particular watch, because the watch is like it's like 40mm from width, so it looks a bit weird for me. It doesn't really give it a great look. So but because this particular silicone strap has this, I don't know what to call this, flank or something additional material here, so it gives a much better matching look. So, and you guys can see it is a silicone, so I've been using this for about I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 months. So you can see that there is a bit of shiny bit over here, and it is a lint magnet. Yes, but you know what, you can just easily wash it off after you've used it. And you can see that from this underside, you can see that it doesn't have any texture whatsoever. And the great thing about this is that it already came with a hole if you so wish to use a quick release pin. Yeah, maybe I should buy another a pair of quick release pins so that I can use it on this particular silicone strap. So let's see. Okay, this is the buckle. Buckle is a nice polished buckle here with a somehow a bit thin and weird looking tongue here. Anyway, and it has one single keeper. Okay, so the good thing about this keeper is you can see here under here we have this somehow I don't know what they call this, a tab or something. So whenever you put it on your wrist, let's see if I can put it on right now. So you can see here when I put it on my wrist, oh, it is difficult to do behind the camera, guys. Boom. You want to lock it down like so. Right, so when you slide it on, you can easily put it on the hole, and boom, the keeper doesn't move at all, which is really cool like that. So yeah, I really think that this is one of the better strap option for this AE1200. Of course, you can go ahead and buy the the black color strap that you can find on the black AE1200 series, but that is way much more expensive compared to this one. I think I bought it for what, $2 or $3 shipped all the way from China to Malaysia, something like that. So yeah, it's really a bargain, and it came with another color as well. So this is the blue color, so this is the black color, and this is the blue color or navy color. And you can see I've also used this for quite a while. You can see that there is a bit of shiny here, same texture, same design, and of course it has the same tab. And I've paired it on my what do you call this watch? This is a B640, Casio B640. Oh, I haven't done a review for this particular model, but it is such an awesome watch. So you know what, I'll do a review for this particular watch maybe next month. But anyway, the good thing about these straps is they are so cheap, they are so affordable, and when you pair it with this particular watch, it complements the look. And you know what, I can easily swap between this black color can be used here because it matches this black surface of the watch, but the blue one won't fit. I don't think it will look good on this black watch. So anyway, so yeah, that is my preference. You can always put a blue strap here, it's up to you really. So same texture, same design, same lint magnet, but for $3 or $2 who cares, man, who cares? Just put it under the tap water and the lint will go off. And the good thing is it is smooth, the surface is smooth, so there is no chance of any lint stuck in that, in those textured areas. So yeah, you don't have to scrub it off with using a toothbrush or something like that. So anyway, so yes, you can see it conforms really nice to my wrist, and I think this is a great option if you want something that looks looks nice on your wrist for your particular AE1200 series. So anyway, so I have a subscriber that asked me, can you actually use this watch for sports using the original bracelet? I said, you know what, don't do that, because the original bracelet really is a it's a hair pulling bracelet. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to do sports with this watch on the bracelet. But if you want something that is much better looking compared to the original Casio strap, I think this is a superb cool, affordable options for you. Okay, so if you like this video, please go. If you like this video and you find it useful, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you like to see more content such as this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button twice so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So I think that's all. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.